How to watch live football on YouTube TV Direct. Step number 1. Subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, where you can watch live football games. Pricing for the base plan is $72.99 per month. Step number 2. Access live football content. With the YouTube TV base plan, you can get access to NFL games on channels like CBS, Fox, NBC, and ESPN. To get more comprehensive coverage, you can add NFL Red Zone via the Sports Plus add-on for $19 per month. Step number 3. Install YouTube TV on your device. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your device. Step number 4. Sign into your YouTube TV account. Open the YouTube TV app and sign in with your Google account credentials linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 5. Navigate to live football games. Use the search function in the YouTube TV app to find specific football games or browse the live or sports sections for upcoming or ongoing football games. You can also access the NFL or college football section for direct access to football coverage. Step number 6. Start streaming. Select the football game you want to watch and it will begin streaming live on your device.